Welcome to ISL Enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
Natural history of bats. Bats are the only flying mammals and belong to the order Chiroptera. It is a species-rich taxon, represent 1423 of more than 6400 non-species of mammals. Reproducibility. Their fertility may decrease with age. Bats have seasonal reproductive cycle. They use strategies such as storage of sperm or prolonged pregnancy with seasonal or aseasonal reproductive cycle. Ecological importance of bats. Bats help in fertilization and pollination of plants. They help in seed dispersal, which helps new plants to grow. They control insect population by eating insects. Bats eat different foods like nectar, fruit, insects, fish, and blood. Where bats rest and sleep. Bats rest in cluster of leaves. Caves, rock crevices, and hollow trees. They also live in man-made structure like houses and bridge. Unique features of bats and disease caused by bat. They have ability to host viruses due to adaptive evolution. Long lifespan relative to the body size. Sensing power of echolocation and polar differentiation. Low rate of tumor formation. Bats have four special features that make them unique. Disease caused by bat-borne viruses. Any disease or infection that is natural transmissible from vertebrate animals to humans. to humans. Zoonotic pathogen may be bacterial, viral, or parasitic. Zoonotic disease can spread to humans through direct contact or through food, water, and environment. Virus transmission includes these viruses. The potential zoonotic transmission cycle of coronavirus. It is covered as positive sense single-stranded messenger RNA and can be directly translated into viral protein by the host cell. It is widespread in animals. It leads to mild to severe respiratory disease or intestinal illness in humans. It is believed to have ancestral origin in bats due to its closest similarity to bat coronavirus, namely RATG13. Hence, bats have been identified as which source of genetically different coronavirus. The virus spread through airborne particles and contaminated surfaces and many more. Spillover events of bat viruses. Destruction of natural ecosystem. Increased urbanization pressure for human. Wildlife trade and animal markets. Selling and consuming wild animals, including bats, in market can expose humans to bat viruses, leading to new diseases. Bats confirmed as virus reservoir. Bats confirmed as virus reservoir. Intermediate hosts such as civet and pangolins responsible for SARS-CoV and SARS-CoV-2 outbreak respectively showed condition caused by excess fluid in the lungs. It's pulmonary edema. Bats, however, showed no symptoms when infected with similar viruses. This means they can carry these viruses without getting sick. A balanced host defense tolerance system. Appropriate level of defense is required to cope up with pathogenesis. Biological mechanisms that lead to diseased state and diseases. As excessive response lead to cellular and tissue damage. Many emerging bat borne viruses are highly pathogenic in humans. How bats stay healthy despite carrying viruses? Humans make one virus fighting protein after infection. Bats make many of these proteins before infection, staying ahead, less harmful inflammation. In bats, antiviral genes like RNA-seL are induced by specific response signal protein but not in other mammals. Also, genes that are responsible for production of protein like MAX and APOVEC3 have undergone selection pressure to potentially alter function. Another reason is increase in removal of unnecessary or dysfunctional component. This is done to regulate immunity and help pathogen clearance. Altogether, these bed-specific changes in expression of signal molecules, kinetics, function of antiviral genes is signaling could help pets to efficiently control numerous viruses that they host. Expression of high levels heat shock proteins. This helps to cope with high temperature and high oxidative stress inside the body. How pets respond to stress. First line of defense. Bats have special immune system that help them handle viruses and stress without getting sick. Second, tolerance against virus. Conclusion. Genome. Wide comparison of immune related genes reveals that the ancestral relationship between bats and human is closer than human and rodent. Did this strength the fact that bats prove as potentially powerful model species for study of viral disease aging, and cancer. Newly developed in vivo model include a bat mouse chimeric having parts of different origins, model, and genotypically modified mouse model containing a bat gene. An increased awareness of bat research in addition to field-based research efforts is needed to obtain an outcome that will prove helpful to humans. By understanding the source of emerging viruses and harnessing knowledge from nature, we can develop approaches to improving the global One health status.